What's up, guys? So coming back at you. We're gonna go ahead and hop on into the markets. Um, let's see what we got going on today. Just another technical analysis journal. Let's see what we got. All right, so basically, guys, I went ahead and closed out my trade because we went ahead and hit the stop loss. So I didn't check that. I closed it out and hit the stop loss. Um, In our last video, I was talking about that MACD and how we had a bullish cross on it. Well, that bullish cross quickly turned bearish. All right. So yes, we did close out that trade at a small negative, though it is a lot better than liquidating the whole account. Now, I said we would go down to the 95 level though. We went a little bit past the 95. We're at the $94,000 level. All right, so let's go ahead and see what is Bitcoin looking at like right now. I'm seeing a bearish cross, guys. Excuse me. My hair sometimes getting in my face. That's a hassle. But yeah, I'm seeing a bearish cross here, guys. Right in this area, bearish cross on the MACD. All right, so Bitcoin could be coming down a little bit further on the daily time frame. All right, I see the Bollinger Bands. All right, let's see what the Bollinger Bands are doing. These Bollinger Bands. The Bollinger Bands. It's backed up bed making noise. Yeah, when we look at the Bollinger Bands, you see we could still be coming down all the way to the $91,000 level. All right, so guys, we're looking at a new low of $91,000, right? Once we hit that $91,000, we're gonna have to see what is likely to happen after that, right? See what we got. Yeah, so yeah, guys, we got a lot of support down here at the $91,000 level. As you can see, these blue lines that support, and you can see right here in the past, we show support here, we show support here, right? This is all past support. All right, we're seeing a lot of past support all in these areas. All right, so all of these are support. So as you can see, coming up, we're here, and then we also reach in the bottom of the Bollinger Band. So we have a couple of layers of support at the 91,900, 92,200, right? And we, and we got the 91,400 as the lowest, right? I would be very surprised, guys, if Bitcoin comes down to this $71,000 level. Now, if it does, I won't even be like, I will be like, whoa, that's crazy, because all of the inflows that are happening into the market right now, but guys, like I said, we're not trying to predict the markets. What we do is react. All right. So our best bet is usually to wait for the breakouts, right? Instead of being into a trade. But if you want to be into a trade right now, let's see where we can find some good entry points. All right, because yeah, based on my perspective, of course. All right, so up here you see that we have a lot of resistance. All right, let's take a look at the 4-hour. Sorry, brain. Excuse me, I had a very long day today, but as usual, I have to look into the markets myself. Yeah, man, it's looking like we might come down to the 92. We could come down to the 92,500 level, guys. All right, VWAP indicator. Yeah, I'm just looking in the market, seeing what's happening. All right, yeah, guys, we could potentially keep going down. Right now, these are some good buy levels. I mean, we could really go long here potentially, but you gotta watch your leverage, right? You can go long here. You can go long at the $91,000 level. As for me, let's see what we're looking at on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, it's like a great time to be buying, guys. We could literally go long from it, right? Just make sure you adjust. That's what I learned from my last position because I hit my stop loss. You have to adjust your leverage levels, right? Not liquidation. You have to adjust your leverage so that you don't hit your liquidation, right? But if you look at it here, right here on the RSI VWAP, right now is a great time to be buying into positions, right? So for me, the hour time frame says we're over bought or we're oversold. 4 hour time frame, not quite oversold. Yeah, we could go down a little bit more to the 91,000 level. All right, so in the short term we can go up just a little tiny pump, you know, the time frame we're trading on. And then on the 4 hour we can go down a little bit to the 91. That's right. So I'm looking to possibly put in some buy orders around the $91,000 level. Guys, remember, try not to be emotional. I find myself doing that a lot. I close out a lot of positions sometimes, but we're position traders, so it's okay. But we want to make sure we're not closing out too many positions at a time. So you want to make sure you do enough technical analysis. You feel me? You want to make sure you get it out. Do a thorough technical analysis. Jeez, my hair, guys. Excuse me. Yeah, this MACD is still going down. So it's looking like maybe around one more time. Let's go to the daily time frame. Oh yeah, I'm seeing 91,415 is a good buy area. And then we'll put in a 2% stop loss or 5% stop loss, something like that. So let's go over to the well, hold on, let's do our positioning. All right, auto support. All right, our buy level is the 91,412, right? 91,412 is our buy level, right? See what that'll do. Where we put in our longs. That is what I would do. That's right now. We can also put in some buy orders potentially at the we can put in some buy orders at the $85,000 level. Right? Yeah, well, yeah. So for now we can put in at the 91,404 and maybe the 85,515. That's what I would say for now on the daily time frame, right? Let's go to the weekly just to be sure, before I go and put in just orders, just because, I like to be sure. Let let me get rid of these things. These are past support levels. Some people care. Yes, my account has passed. I'm going to update it this week. Ooh, guys, we're looking like we're gonna come down. Potentially to. It says on the weekly time frame we could come down to the $79,000 level, even the 45. So as a position trader, we could put in buy orders in multiple areas. In the weekly time frame, we can put in orders at the $45,000 level, 325. We can put in at the $79,000, 191. All right, even on the weekly time frame, but that's a little far out. And then, yeah, and we can also put in a market order here if you will. Let's see. All right, we go to the day time frame. We're looking at some buy order at the $91,000 level, like 1, 4, 3. With the 85, 515. All right. The buy orders. I like for us to trade the breakout to make things less complicated. The breakout from this level. And if we go down, bear with me for a minute, guys. What I'm looking to do is for a way to put in a conditional order, right? So from the level we are, we could go up or we could go down, but it's likely that we're going to go down. Though I'm going to put in a conditional order for the upward movement, right? So I'm looking to place orders along the breakout. Come down to the $85,000 level, we could put in a short, right? We could also put in a long at the $91,000 level with a 2%. We could do a 5% stop loss for both the short and the short and the long position, right? All right, so I guess that's what we want to do. We want to put in that, yeah, we go long at the $95,303 level. We'll go long there, all right? This is what, if you want to put in an order now, all right? If I would like to put in an order now. We can go short at the $85,000 level if we keep dropping down to 85, and we'll go short there. On both orders, we'll put about a 3 to 5% stop loss. You know what I mean? Guys, don't trade with money that you're not willing to lose. Bottom line. All right, because any of these orders could break up and break out, and if it goes either way, it'll make up for whatever stop loss, that whatever money you lose on whatever stop loss, if you lost any money, if you lose any money. All right, now this is one way we could trade this, or I could literally only trade the breakout. We could be extremely patient, guys, and we can trade the breakout. We can go to a long up here at the $102 level, right? We could literally do that. Hold on, let's go to another chart. Yeah, well, never mind, we'll leave it like this. But yeah, we could go long at the, let's say, $102 level, right? We can put in a buy order right up there for the breakout instead of 2% stop loss. Retest. All right. So yeah, we could put in longs at the $102 level. Put in a long at the $95,303 level. You can even put in a long at the 91,000. Then we want to make sure our measurements are right. I'm a very visual learner, so I take my time on my technical analysis, guys. Hope you don't mind. All right. So yeah, you can put in orders on each of these levels, guys. All right. Put in an order at the $102,000 level with a 3 to 5% stop loss. You can put in a long at the $95,303 level, or instead of doing that, you can put in a long at the instead of doing at the 95,000. I will put up a buy order, a long order at the $91,000 level. So buy order 91,000, a buy order at the breakout of the triangle, which is 102. So 102,000 you put a long, and the 91 level you put a long. Now if you're gonna go short, I recommend shorting at like the $85,000 level. You know what I mean? You want to make sure we break past this significant resistance, all right? Because what I'm seeing, we got a lot of volume. Hope the VPBR. We still got a lot of volume at this $95,303 level. So that's kind of a no man's land right now. I wouldn't put in a long unless we hit the bottom of the Bollinger Bands or the future breakout. I wouldn't go long. If you have closed your orders like me, then I wouldn't go long unless it's at a breakout level or at a significant support area, like right in here. You know what I mean? I would go short down here at the $85,000 level. All right, so this is what I would do, guys. I recommend you guys to put in your orders. All right, I'll be putting in orders as well. All right, but yeah, I write these orders down. Let me see. So we go long at what level are we going long at again? 102. Yeah, we're gonna go long at the actually I would say to go long at the $107 level. not 102. It's to 107. Because 102 was the last resistance. We want to wait for it to get past that resistance. We want to confirm the breakout from this entire triangle pattern. All right, so we're going to go long at the 107.771 level, right? I'm going to put in a buy order there. Then we're going to put in a buy order at the 91,000, right? It's a long order at the $91,445 level, right? That's where we'll go long on those two levels. So $107,000 and the $91,000 level. All right, we'll put in long orders there. Otherwise, we're gonna wait. All right. After that, we got one short. We'll do a short order, and we'll do that at 85,000 in case Bitcoin decides it wants to break down. 85,515. All right. We want to wait for the breakouts. All right. I want to wait for confirmation. We want to wait for confirmations. Okay. So this is what I would do. So let's go and take a look at putting in these orders. All right, so we're gonna go to put this right over here. Go ahead and put in these orders. So we're gonna go with the conditional order. Let's go with the 10x leverage. All right. Conditional order. All right, so our first long, right? Yep. So our first long order, we're going to trigger it at the $107,000 level. Right. You also want to order it at that level. You know what? As a matter of fact, I don't even like to trade on this platform. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, instead of putting in the orders here, I'm going to transfer my money from this account to my Bybit account, guys. And the next time I start documenting, it will be from the Bybit account. All right. So guys, just remember we got long. I'm going to be putting in long orders at the $107,000 level, the $91,000 level. I'm going to go short at the $85,000 level. All right, so this is my technical analysis for today. Remember, we don't know what Bitcoin is going to do. We only react. All right. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys are putting in your orders. I'm about to be doing the same. I'm just going to switch platforms. All right. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.